How to use Snapchat for beginners. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can use Snapchat for beginners. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically use Snapchat, if you are a beginner especially, I'm assuming you've already went ahead and created and logged into your account. If you haven't done so, we also already have a dedicated tutorial for that. So you could simply go ahead and check that out if you'd like. Now, once you open up your Facebook your Snapchat app, by default, this is the home screen you will see. From where you can just go ahead and then actually try to basically send snaps by holding to record or by simply recording a certain snap. Once you do that, you can simply send it to your friends after making a couple bit of changes. The next thing we're going to look at is the chat page. On the chat page, you'll be able to see all of your friends list as well as the people you've been talking to and exchanging snaps with. Right here on the bottom left, you'll actually find your snap map, which means the location that you might want to share with friends. They will basically show up over here. If you come here, you'll be able to see all the stories of your friends, and at the very least, you'll find this option known as Spotlight, where you'll be able to enjoy short content or short form of video content. Aside from this, if we go to the Bitmoji avatar from the top left, here you should be able to see all of our Bitmoji avatars, such as our public profile, our snap score, and everything else like adding stories and so on. If you wanted to customize a couple bits of your own settings, you could tap on the gear icon from the top right. That will automatically take you to your settings page, where you should be able to optimize most of your account and privacy settings from here. And this is the way on how you can use Snapchat as a beginner. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.